Every journey begins with a breath. Every great performance starts in the silence of an empty hall. This is Beijing. The stage, the capital library of China. For the Kin Ethiopia team, this is the moment tradition meets the global spotlight. Hours of practice, months of preparation, everything comes down to this first step. The doors open, the energy shifts, 1,000 guests. One goal, to deliver the beating heart of Ethiopia. The colors ignite, the rhythms explode. Dance, music, fashion, a spectacular fusion that defies language. The joy and excitement on the audience's faces and the applause was a great morale booster and support for the cultural team. The Kin Ethiopia Cultural Team is very grateful for the love, hospitality, and care they gave to the Chinese people on this occasion. A successful debut, but the work is never finished. The show must travel. The second stage was held at the Ethiopian Embassy. The Kin Ethiopia journey of cultural and musical exchange is led by Kamuzu Kasa, whose dedication and effort to promote Ethiopian culture and music allowed the show to be successful on stage. Furthermore, the relentless and immense support provided by the Ministry of Culture and Sports, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and Ethiopian Airlines played a significant role in making the trip a success. Here, culture is the deepest form of diplomacy. It's a gathering of governments, officials, and friends. The performance is intimate, a shared cup of coffee and a display of heritage that builds bridges. Every note, every step is a message of goodwill. The mission is clear: to reinforce the powerful bond between Ethiopia and China through the elegance of art. The road is long, the schedule is relentless. After 2 major shows, fatigue is a heavy passenger. They sleep in shifts, drained but driven. Why? Because they carry more than just costumes, they carry a nation's pride. That responsibility is their fuel. A new city, Dingzhou. A new audience, ready for the fire. The tired feet find their rhythm again. The dedication pays off. The people of Dingzhou welcome the team not as guests, but as family. A standing ovation that proves passion is always understood. With the shows complete, the mission enters a new chapter. History. Standing on the Great Wall of China, two ancient civilizations shoulder to shoulder. The team does what they do best. They bring the culture to the monument, celebrating the success of the tour at the top of the world. China was just the beginning. The passion, the resilience, the kin, the spirit of Ethiopia is now unbound. Kin Ethiopia